first time. It's just a wave of...
Come on.
Be careful.
Whoa, whoa.
Take them down.
Shaky bakey baby. Come this way.
Come on. Come on. Whoa, whoa.
What a wonderful thing it is to have him bring a child into your home. Come on. He becomes a part of the family. It's wonderful.
Here I go.
Leah, look at me.
Look at mommy. Look.
Leah.
I'm not interested in your mom.
Growing up,
Come on.
Leah.
it's very well coached.
Have the other hand. Have the other hand.
To be a very happy child. He just enjoyed
We got the back of your head.
was excited.
Okay, turn around and come back.
Come on. Come on.
Mark, and we make
Whoa.
movies and have a lot of fun.
Okay, let go of her hand.
Ready?
He
Ready?
played sports. He liked sports. He just had a real vibrant personality.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Whoa. Oh.
It was just wonderful.
You made it pretty
The
far.
times we had together.
I made it pretty far. Come on. Whoa.
Me and my brother Matt,
Balance.
we were in the same grade. And
Balance.
So we
Balance.
were really close.
Me and Gabe were always together. I
All
didn't
right.
think of him any different. Like they told me he was different.
Lily.
I didn't really
The dagger
realize
it.
that he's just part of the family. And I explained it to him. I said, you know, it's my son. It's like the rest of the kids. And why would it be any different?
You can do it without holding on to Kayla.
Child.
Say no. Put that leg over here. Grab my finger, please.
To
Thank you.
include me
Thank
in
you.
part of the family.
Thank you.
But whenever we would go out, people would see me, see the family, ask me questions about how do I feel about not being a part of the family.
See, I gotta pay more of this now, Mom.
Okay, let go of Kayla.
He said, you just
Whoa,
don't know
whoa.
what it's like.
Don't pick her up. Don't pick her up.
Picture.
You gotta stand up. Come on.
His face is white, and
No.
Cheater.
I remember one time at my grandparents' house,
Are you a cheater?
the fight.
That's my belt.
Pushing me.
I'm not picking you up. Come on. Balance. Balance. Balance.
And I remember my grandpa came out and said, you shouldn't
There
be
you
part of this family. You're not part of this family. He goes, I hate you. I started being so angry. And why did I push him? Why did I have to be about it? Why did I have to do these things I didn't want it at that point? That's kind of
Where are you going? Go get Kayla. Go get Kayla.
What? Come on.
Oops. I get so excited I fall down sometimes. All right. Pick her up.
The truth of, I'm not